plants with ivy,
stopping the apples from turning brown.
Today, everyone, we'll learn about apples, why they turn brown when you cut them. Here's what you need. We need lemon juice, scoopers, a measuring cup, citric acid. Then we need apples and plates. We need our adult to cut the apples in half. Ready, go. Make sure the lemon just gets all over. Okay, good. Did I squash some in there?
No, should be fine.
Ooh.
All right, that should be enough.
Ooh la la. This one is our control. We won't put anything on it. We have to be very careful with citric acid. Some more. Okay, good. And here. Put almost. All of it?
All over the apple.
Oh wow. While we wait, we snack. Which one is the most brown?
Is it the control that had nothing on it? Is it the one with lemon juice? Or is it the one with citric acid?
Citric acid.
That one's the least brown or the most brown?
The most brown.
Is it? Look at the one that's the control.
Oh, it's brown.
Yeah. The lemon juice is in the middle. And let's put them all together to see.
I think it was the one with nothing.
That's the most brown.
Yep.
And the one with the citric acid is the least brown. Yep. So, but you don't want to eat the citric acid. So if you want to eat it and you don't want your apples to turn brown, guess what you got to do? Put lemon juice on it. That way you can take your apples to school.
If we don't want brown apples, we'll put lemon juice on it. Someone say it.
Check out my other videos.